In this video, we'll be taking you through Sportyfriends' new wide widget design, which is there to help you create a new and modern feeling website, allowing you to better engage with your current members. To start this process, click on the top left corner of your screen by the three bars and find the customizable section. From here, find the general settings and style, where you want to click on the horizontal style settings. This will bring you to a blank page where you can start adding different widget sections to your page. There's a large number of different options to choose from, and today in this video we're going to show you a general setup for how we feel these widgets are best used. The first widget that we've chosen is the 4-column widget. This allows you to include information about 4 different sections of your website. In this example, we've decided to include sections for joining a membership, booking a course, purchasing an activity sign-up, as well as a link directing people directly to the website. Here you can see, the more buttons you add, the smaller they get, ensuring the spacing of the website is always appropriate, and that your members can always have an easy overview of the information displayed within this screen. In addition to select different icons or images and button colors, we also have created the ability for customization in the alignment, icon colors, and background colors of your buttons and widgets. This enables you to specifically customize and tailor the website to the colors of your club or brand. Next, we'll take a look at the timeline feature. The timeline feature generates all of the news within your club into one compact widget. Previous news events will already be added, as well as information about member signups, and give you the ability to directly create new news from this widget. We also have an activities widget. This widget can be useful for displaying all of the activities coming up within your club. From this widget, you have the ability to look at attendees, edit the event, invite players to the event, as well as your current members having the ability to purchase activities directly from this widget. Similar to the timeline widget, you can also create activities directly from the activities widget. And finally, within the homepage of your club, we feel it's important to add a contact field. Here, members can select where they've got questions about and write a short message directly contacting you, and always ensuring that your members have a way to contact the club, improving communication. Alongside the wide widgets on your home page, switching to a wide widget design also allows you to create blank pages and subpages with this same design. To get started, click the Add Section button and click Header. This will allow you to create a unique header for each of the new pages on your website. You can edit titles, logos, text, and buttons within the header. To do this, find the 3 dots icon and select one of our pre-selected options, or for a full detailed list, click on the Settings button. From here, you can get started by adding as many widgets as you wish to your new page. 2 that we recommend is the left image plus text and the right image plus text. These widgets allow you to add an image, headline, text, as well as a button which can be used to link to different sections within the website, or maybe if you're linking it to a sign-up sheet for a new activity that you're promoting. Another key benefit that this wide widgets design brings is a lot of customization to your club. For example, you can select background colors or add a background image even. When working on an image within a text, you have the ability to choose if it should be a rounded image, a squared off image, as well as select the size of the image. Likewise, buttons can be given their own button color. Here you can see an example of a squared image now being changed to a rounded image at half size. And finally, and new in our latest update, by clicking on the top left by the 3 bars, you can now specifically customize the different sections of your page. For example, you can set an icon to the different page names, or even change the URL to make it easier to search for or to better fit the content of the page.